There's also another hack just I learned about it that lets you control the light of this button on your Xbox. It also supports works on Xbox Series X and S, so be sure to watch. You go to settings, go down to preferences, accessibility, then you go down to night mode, then you have preferences and power button brightness. So this is a default brightness. So what we'll do here is that we'll degrade it one time. As you can see over here, we can actually turn it off, turn it back on, and make it more bright. So as you can see, it's a very helpful feature.